Hi everybody, I'm Master Kelly. Welcome to the Obi-Wan martial art lesson today. In this lesson, we're going to practice using the Force and learning some different Jedi moves today. Okay, so Jedi yet? Pinye? Awesome, good. All right, we're going to start with the warm-up. You guys repeat after me in Korean. I'm going to say Hana, Doer, Set, Net, Toss it. Good job. All right, rotating arms. Ready? Hana, Doer, Set, Net, Toss it. Good job. All right, going the other way now. Ready? Hana, Doer, set, net, toss it. Good, awesome. All right, turning left and right just like this. Good, I'm gonna say Hana, Doer, set, net, toss it. Awesome, good. All right, one final stretch, feet together, reaching down for your toes. I'm gonna say Hana, Doer, set, net, toss it. Good job, and up. All right, shake it all out, shake it all out. Good, ready yet? Yeah. Awesome, awesome. All right, when I say fighting stance, we're gonna have one foot back, both hands up. Let's see who can be the fastest. Fighting stance. Awesome, good. All right, so we're gonna practice some Jedi techniques. Now here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna hands up just like this, okay? We're gonna practice. I wanna make an X just like this. We're gonna go outside block, punch, roll, cross. Okay, let's practice that together. Ready? I'm gonna go outside block, punch, roll, cross. Awesome, nice. Again, ready? Outside block, punch, roll, cross. Awesome, good job you guys. Again, go outside block, punch, roll, cross. Nice, good job you guys. One more time. Ready? Go outside block, punch, roll, cross. Awesome, good job you guys. High five. Nice. Now, one of the key things of being a Jedi is having really good balance. Okay, so we're gonna practice a more challenging balance drill today, but I think you guys can be up to the challenge. Here's what we're gonna do. I want everyone to pick up this knee and go ahead and hold it in a round kick position. Just like this, okay? Now here's what we're going to do. Now, I'm gonna give you guys a challenge. If you have something at home that you can balance, something that doesn't break, okay? You can take it, put it on your leg just like this, okay? So, make sure you use something soft, maybe like a pillow or something like that. Make sure not something that's gonna break. Maybe like a book, all right? Ask your parents' permission. We're gonna put it on this leg. Now here's the thing, if it drops, that's okay. Pick it right back up. Because here's the thing, okay? Do you think Obi-Wan would give up when something gets hard? No, he would never do that. So be like Obi-Wan. As soon as your foot, if it drops down, just pick your foot right back up. Okay, ready? Pick up your knee just like this. We're gonna hold this for 10 seconds without using any assistance on the wall, okay? So I'm gonna say Hana, Doer, good job. Set, net, toss it, yas it, ego, you there, aho, yeah, and foot down. Good job. All right, let's do the other leg this time. Let's go ahead and balance something on our leg just like this. Good, nice, awesome. Like a tabletop. Ready? Hana, Doer, set, net, toss it. Good job. Yas it, ego, you there, aho, yeah, nice. Good balance, you guys. High five. Awesome, awesome. All right, you guys ready to play a game? Nah, I don't believe you. Yes, sir? Nah, I don't believe you. Yes, sir? Awesome. All right, here's the game we're gonna do. So we're gonna do some Jedi training. Ready yet? Awesome. All right, now we're gonna go to a different place. We're gonna go to the Jedi Temple on Coruscant. Okay, we're on Coruscant, so here's what we're going to do. There's gonna be some rocks floating at us, trying to attack us from different sides. Now what we have to do is we have to hold a horse stance, and as the rock gets closer to our head, we gotta do a deeper horse stance, and then come right back up. Does that make sense? Okay, so have feet apart, have a good strong base, hands right here. Good, all right, as soon as the rocks get too close to our head, we gotta duck down. We do this 10 times, okay? Ready, keep those knees bent. I'm gonna say Hana. Good, and back up a little bit, don't lock out your legs. Ready, do it. Good, good job. Ready, set. Good job, good job. Net. Good, good, good. Toss it. Good job, 5 more. Yes it. Good job, good job. Eagle. Good work. You there. Good job. Oh. Nice, 1 more. Yeah. Awesome, good job you guys. High five. Uh-oh, you hear that sound? Sounded like a TIE fighter. Uh-oh, I think the Inquisitors and Darth Vader found us. Let's see. Oh. It's the Grand Inquisitor, and it's also Darth Vader. They're here to try to capture us. All right, here's what we gotta do, you guys. They're gonna throw their lightsabers at us. Now, when they throw it at us, okay, we're gonna use the Force. We're gonna stop it. We're going to push it back, and after we push it back, we're gonna throw a scissor kick, and then throw a punch right after the end, okay? Ready, and everyone ready? Catch the lightsaber, catch it, hold it, and push. Scissor front, punch. Awesome, good job, you guys. 2 more times. Ready? Catch the lightsaber, catch. Good. And push. Scissor front, punch. Awesome, good. One more. Ready? And catch. Catch, and push. Scissor front. And punch. Nice. Good job, you guys. High five. Very good work today. Got it yet? Awesome. Well, I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.
Hey homeschool parents, are you looking for an activity to help your kids get more active, more resilient, more confident, and more focused? Hi, my name is Taylor Kelly, founder and creator of Dojo Go, the complete online homeschool martial arts curriculum. If your kids have never done martial arts before, we've got the perfect solution for you. Introducing the 6-week Kids Transformation Martial Arts course. The purpose of this program is to give homeschool families just like you the life-changing benefits of martial arts all online for ages 4 to 12 years old. As a homeschooler myself, I had the opportunity to meet many other homeschoolers at Co-op, and I know for a fact that finding an activity like martial arts can be difficult either because A, there aren't any homeschool programs that offer it, B, the schedule doesn't work out, and C, it's really expensive. We created this program because for over 10 plus years, we've helped many children make complete life-changing transformations with our martial arts programs. And we want to extend that opportunity for you as homeschool parents now. But our videos aren't just some follow-along videos you can find on YouTube. These videos take your kids through a 6-week interactive martial arts story. Meet Dojo, the orange belt monkey whose very first white belt was stolen by the evil scientist Dr. Fist. Every week, the kids will learn different self-defense techniques, martial arts terminology, and gain strength and flexibility with 30-minute videos 3 times per week. All for the purpose of defeating Dr. Fist's minions, and maybe even Dr. Fist himself. Included with the videos are worksheets, a fully printable calendar, a map for the kids to follow along their progress, and an opportunity to test for their very first white belt in uniform at the end of 6 weeks with me personally via video call. Excited to start? Click the link below to join our program now.